We're back, and since you guys loved the easy cottage cheese mac and cheese the other week, it's only right that this week we take down some cottage cheese Alfredo. This one is just as easy to make and equally as delicious. So let's jump right into it. P.S. Hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you want me to keep these quick cottage cheese recipes going. Start this one with either a blender or food processor. Add into it 1.5 cups of cottage cheese, half a cup of milk, 1.5 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Blend or process everything together until smooth like this. If it's too thick or you want it thinner, you can either add in a little more milk or some higher protein bone broth. Couple more tips here. Number 1, any cottage cheese will work, though you want to keep in mind the more fat it has in it, the creamier your Alfredo will be. I'll include the macro breakdowns for each variation on the proteinchef.co. Number 2, maximize your protein by using a higher protein milk like this Fairlife. Number 3, it's not needed, but a fresh block of Parmesan will give you the best result. From here, take out a stovetop pan, turn your burner on low heat, and add in 1.5 tablespoons of butter. Once that melts, add in a tablespoon of minced garlic and let it cook for a few minutes. Continue by pouring in your mix and a teaspoon of cornstarch. Keep those moving often as everything heats up and it begins to thicken. Low and slow is the key here. If it's too hot, you could ruin your sauce. Now as that's heating up, let's quickly make some pasta however our box says to. Whatever kind of pasta you want to use here is completely up to you. As you all suggested in my last pasta recipe, I'm going to be using 6 ounces of this Protein Plus penne. Fettuccine is obviously another favorite of mine for this one. Once that's done cooking, make sure to drain it and add it right into your Alfredo sauce. Mix everything around for a couple minutes. Here's where you can add in anything else you want, like some cooked protein. Rotisserie is great, or some crushed red pepper. In the end, it should look like this. Yes, it's delicious, and yes, it still tastes great after reheating it. In the microwave, I'll reheat it for 45 seconds, mix it around, and repeat until it's hot. On the stovetop, I'll add a little milk and reheat it over low heat. Question of the day: if you could only eat savory or sweet things for the rest of your life, both being equally healthy, what would you choose? Let me know in the comments below. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your recipe needs, and of course, stay healthy.